During winter, the stratosphere above the North Pole cools down extremely fast. Meanwhile, air near the equator stays much warmer. This temperature contrast creates a strong circular wind pattern called the polar vortex, which keeps cold air locked over the Arctic. But the atmosphere doesn't stay calm. Weather patterns from around the world send waves upward into the stratosphere. Most of these waves only cause small disturbances, but sometimes a powerful one strikes the polar vortex and weakens it. When this happens, air from elsewhere piles up over the North Pole, causing pressure to rise and temperatures to spike suddenly. This rapid heating is known as a sudden stratospheric warming, or SSW. When an SSW occurs, the polar vortex can weaken, split apart, or shift away from the pole. In a major event, the winds can even reverse direction. If these changes affect the atmosphere below, the jet stream can shift southward. This often leads to colder conditions in Europe and the UK. Roughly 70% of SSW vents bring colder weather afterward, while 30% do not. The famous Beast from the East in 2018 was triggered by a major SSW. On the other hand, the SSW in early 2019 had very little effect on the UK, even though it was clearly visible at high altitude. This year, stratospheric temperatures are warming earlier than usual. Models show that the upper-level winds are weakening, suggesting that a minor SSW is developing. If it influences weather at the surface, the impact typically appears after about 2 weeks, meaning the second or third week of December. For the next several days, conditions are expected to stay relatively mild, with winds coming from the west or southwest. What happens after mid-December remains uncertain. Some computer models show signs of higher pressure forming near the UK, but there's no clear agreement yet. It's simply too early to know whether this SSW will lead to colder weather or pass with little effect.